subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Realme 11x, and it is a slightly downgraded version of the recently launched Realme 11 5G smartphone. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Realme 11x 5G smartphone. The Realme 11x 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme 11x 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.1 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Realme UI 4.0 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.89 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 11x 5G has been priced in India for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage option is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 30th, in Magic Night Black and Purple Dawn color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 11x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.